So here we are, Vern's out grabbing my truck, and then we're gonna bring it in here and pull out the 2 boxes. The first shipment got damaged by UPS, so they had to send another shipment. So that's why it's taken so long to get to this point. So I'm gonna pull it in and get started.
When I install the muffler, I normally put the seam up because with it down and the moisture laying in the muffler, that's where it's going to rust first. So if you put the seam up, there's less chance of rust. They cleared everything with 3 inches, that's pretty good. I'm Vern from Dogs Customs in E-Town, Pennsylvania. Just installed the Flowmaster kit on the Ram truck. Very good made system. They had enough clearance around everything. It fit nicely, very easy to install, especially if you have a lift or you can get up in the air high enough. I would recommend this system for other people if they want the Flowmaster sound. All I'm saying is it's a pretty nice system. Looks good when it's done too.
Alright, so here we are. We're on some back roads, so don't mind the bumps. Just got done getting the exhaust installed the second time. So I drove away the first time and drove down and did some errands. I'm in my hometown, which I don't live in anymore. So I did some errands, visited my grandparents' graves, and when I got out of the truck to go to the other side, I swore I heard a leak. So it was actually the slots that they have in the muffler where it connects to the pipes. Just the smallest little thing. So Vern adjusted it for me, and you know, good to go now. So I have strep throat, so sorry if I sound like an idiot. As far as what the exhaust system is and how it's different from the other one, you want to get that initial feel on film. So the initial feel is definitely louder, obviously. It doesn't drone. I've been on the highway twice now and doesn't drone or anything like that. Around town, yeah, I mean, it's a little louder and stuff. I mean, when you get on it, I mean, it's like a third throttle. It's not super duper loud in my opinion. I mean, some people might have a difference of opinion. People nowadays are buying trucks instead of SUVs, so their opinion on a loud exhaust might be different than what someone who likes loud stuff. Like, I've had a Mustang in the past, I've had an RX-7, and they all had exhaust systems and a lot of stuff done to them, so I know what to expect. Expect a louder system. Expect that when you start your truck up at 4:30 in the morning to go to the gym, that people are gonna hear that you're starting up your car or your truck, you know, versus before, yeah, it's a little rumble, but yeah, I mean, it's a little bit louder. I call it 33% when, as far as like startup goes, 33% to 50% louder than stock. it's sitting there idling, probably 33% louder when you get on it. I love being out here in these cornfields where I grew up. You know, you get on it and, you know, it sounds really good, but I don't think it's dramatically louder than the stock one that you're gonna be like, oh my god, why did I put this on my truck? I mean, it's how a truck should sound. It's the level that a truck should sound from the factory, in my opinion. So I'm gonna drive around with this for a little while. I'll give you guys a review after driving around with it for a while. But right from, you know, driving it for probably 60 miles now, back and forth around things. I've been on the highway, I've been around town. I really like it, and I don't think you can go wrong with it. It's a good system. It bolted on really easy, and there wasn't too terribly much to it, but I think it's a really good system. So stay tuned for the review, and also stay tuned for the 10,000 mile review of the truck. Truck's doing great. We're at 7,500, so not too long down the road, you'll see a 10,000 mile review and where we're at with this truck. So until next time, later.